Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS Outline Styles, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS Outline Style with dashed value. Back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS Outline Style of dotted. As you can see, the way the dotted looks. So I'm going to be specifying the dashed so you can be able to see how the dashed works also. So quickly, right here, let's change our dotted. We are using this our outline style property right here. So to specify outline style, you are going to use this outline style. So when you specify the outline style, we can change this to dashed. Let's use dash now so you can see how the dash looks. When I save my document and reload this, let's reload, and can you see the way the dash looks? The dash looks like this. Just imagine it's changed. So, and also we can use this also in the other element also, like we can comment this one out and use it inside our fit set element instead. So let's change this our fit set element to dashed also, so you can see. Let me save it and reload. Let's reload our document. Can you see now we are having this dashed lines after our immediately after our border right here. You can check my previous tutorial on CSS outline for you to understand how this dashed outline, how this outline works in deep details. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.